Hey guys, what is up? Today is December the 2nd. Today it's gonna be the second episode of Business Vlogmas, and I have decided that I really want to talk about logos, and this is something that is very important because a lot of people either spend too much time or too much money on logos, or like no time, no money, and they literally make a disaster. Okay, so it's currently morning here, and I have a lot of work pending, and I'm on my way to the office now, and I'm gonna get to work, knock off a couple of things from my to-do list, and I'll get back to you to talk a little bit more about logos. See you later. When you think about your company's logo, what exactly comes to mind? I feel like a lot of people, when they start thinking about their logos and what exactly they want to portray with it, um, they start thinking about, little images or the font that they want to use, or um, they try to compile a lot in just a logo. And I feel logos should be something simple, something that reflects the image of your company and the message that you want to send. Um, how I said previously, a lot of people spend a lot of money on a logo, or even though it's really important, I don't want you to, start a business and a year later you haven't done nothing. And when I ask you, you're like, oh no, I'm still, deciding on which logo to use. And that's just crazy. Okay. Nowadays, there's a lot of resources for your logo. I mean, you can hire a graphic designer, depends on the on how good they are, will be how much you will pay for a logo. But if you're trying to get a custom logo from somebody who's really good, you're looking to spend, you know could be hundreds, maybe thousands of dollars if you're doing a fully excuse me, a fully custom logo. And but if you're starting a small business, or like a micro company, don't go crazy, thinking about your logo. That it's something that you can upgrade later when you have a little bit more capital. I feel like a lot of people just, they try to like really think about their logo, and like Apple has an apple, or like Coca-Cola has like a hidden message in their logo. It's like, just chill, okay? Just get something so you look professional. And now you can even go to a what's this website, Fiverr.com. I'm not saying that's the best option, but that's, a lot of people selling logos there for like $5. You can even like this websites that help you create your own website, like Wix, or what's the other name? These people who print cards, Vista Prints. They also have, this service where you can even make your logos even for free. So just get something that looks professional, that looks very simple. Don't try to use a lot of colors. Don't try to use, like different images, a lot of texts. Watch out for like different fonts, because people tend to do their slogan under the logo, and they use different fonts. And when you finish at the end of the day, you have like 3 4 fonts in the same logo, and that's just crazy. Okay. um, I'll link in the cards below the different sources where you can go get a logo. I know Fiverr, it's a website where you can hire people from, even the U.S. or abroad, from other countries, and normally they start like at $5, something like that, for a logo. And you decide how much you want to pay. If you want to pay more and get something of a better quality, you can read the reviews from the designers, or you can go to Wix, you can go to Vistaprint, and I'm sure there's a bunch of other websites that you can get them for free. Okay. Um, you can also do it yourself if you know how to use Photoshop, even though Photoshop is not the best app to make a logo. If you know how to use Adobe Illustrator, or some of these free editing softwares like Canvas online, and you can do it for free there. I wouldn't recommend it if you don't have a little bit of a graphic design experience, simply because it will probably end up being a disaster. And if you're gonna do it, at least watch a couple of YouTube videos from people who know what they're doing, so you can at least learn the basics and not make a horrible mistake. And what will you do it if you don't have the experience when you can get them for free or for like $5-10 from someone else that can make a very professional logo. If you have, or you're starting a company with a lot of capital and something that has to have like the perfect image out there, then knock yourself out and put down the hundreds of thousands of dollars. But I really don't think it's necessary, and focus more on finding the one that feels right to you. Go with your gut in regards to that. When you get your logo, try to create a color palette for your business. And I know this is something that you normally see in a lot of professional graphic designers do, because you don't want to have a logo that it's around the bluish or let's say purple color, and then you're going on your Instagram, your Facebook, or your website and using teal colors or yellow or green, and it doesn't look cohesive. So if your logo is black or blue, whatever, try to come up with a color palette of two or three colors or different shades of that same color, and use that color palette for your social media, for your website, and any graphics that you create for your business, so everything looks cohesive and together, like it belongs to the same company. I think that's pretty much it. If you have any questions about your about logos, or I don't know, if you want to send me your logo for me to see, I don't know. I'll leave I'll put my Instagram in the description cards below, so you can go there and you can DM me if you have any questions, or just write on the comments. I'm here to help you guys in whatever you need or whatever question you may have. Remember, I'm doing this Christmas what's called business vlogmas, so I'm trying to upload a video every single day until December the 25th, that it's all about different aspects of starting a business. My previous video was all about business ideas, and I'm doing this one about logos, and probably I'm going to start talking about picking your business name or like websites, and on and on and on. So if you have any questions that you want to have answered in one of my videos, just comment down below. And if you got any value from this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe if this is something you might be interested on, okay? See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.